Lashko Zlatorog is the leading Slovenian beer brand. The DNA of Lashko is characterized by the concepts of heritage, integrity, and vitality. All of this is symbolized by the icon of Lashko, the mythical Zlatorog, which is said to reside in the beautiful natural kingdom of Triglav National Park. Triglav is also home to Slovenian winter sports. Unfortunately, the Triglav National Park and its last remaining glacier are at risk due to global warming. In just a few decades, the glacier has shrunk to less than 4% of its original size. Global warming is also threatening other suitable venues for winter sports. Therefore, in cooperation with the Anton Melik Geographical Institute, we took a sample of Triglav glacier ice and sent it on an epic journey from Triglav to Beijing, the venue of 2022 Winter Olympics. Toli, as we named this piece of ice, stopped in 10 historic Olympic cities on its route to Beijing. This journey was shared with the public by popular blogger Cyril Komotar, who was helped by legendary Slovenian Olympians Jure Košir, Katja Koren, Jernej Damjan, Franci Petek, and Roki Markuč. The potential of the project was also recognized by the International Olympic Committee and formally endorsed by the President of Slovenia, Borut Pahor, and Prince Albert II of Monaco, who both became its ambassadors. All content was published on a special website where we urged users to do a series of small environment-friendly actions called Olympic Steps. In total, we recorded more than 15,000 Olympic steps and planted more than 16,000 trees to offset the project's carbon footprint. At the same time, we also changed the packaging of Lashko beer to increase project visibility. We produced 8 million temperature-sensitive cans of Lashko beer with the image of Triglav Glacier. The cans, when adequately cooled, show the glacier as it used to be, but as the can warms up, the glacier slowly disappears. In a 6-month communication campaign with a factor of 10 between sponsorship and activation investment, we achieved ROI 2.63 with more than 500 unpaid media publications, which shot us from 17th place to 4th place in terms of recall. And what happened to Toli, our piece of Triglav glacier ice, once it arrived in Beijing? Well, we let it melt and filled 3 bottles with the glacial water. We hope they will serve as a permanent reminder and as an initiative to change our behavior to help preserve our natural environment.